Wait. Oh. Anyways, okay. I'm recording. Anyways, I'm back out again with a different. I need to turn the volume down. No, I won't join an event. But anyways, the reason why I'm making another rant video is because I haven't covered this topic since I made my first rant video, and we're gonna rant about Momo the cat. And no, not that creepy looking figure thing that tells to kill your mom and stuff. Not that. Momo the cat. Like the channel. Like weird shit. Probably wondering what the fuck is Momo the cat? Is it like a cat? A cat something? Is it like a cat? Yes, it is a cat. I don't know why you would ask, but yeah. So, is it like something or anything? And yes or no? Well, I'm gonna show you what, and we're gonna react to their videos. Because why the hell not? Because this is the first time I'm reacting in these types of videos. Because I really don't care about reacting to. Because I'm worried that my channel will be taken down if I do. Anyways, I'm going to show you right now. Wow. Here, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, I'm on YouTube. I'm going to search it up. Here we go. This is from previous. Don't mind it. Alright, so when you search this up, you'll see this channel. The one thing I want to say is this channel does not look kid friendly. I mean, hell no. I mean, you probably think it's not kid friendly, but imagine your children come across Momo. They're gonna think it's children. I mean, they probably don't even know how to spell, so they probably don't even know how to read too. So they probably think somebody's like, I don't know, kid friendly. Probably iPad kid that loves still a brain rot over and over. Probably like accidentally click on his channel. I mean, it's just like a music channel, like, you know, Cocomelon, but a little 10 times edgier than usual. I mean, if you don't understand these type of jokes, you must have been like an iPad kid. And of course, I'm gonna click on a random video that I would think I want. What video? I mean, here's this one. Number one, I don't think that's a microphone. I don't think that's a microphone. You know, you know. Yeah, totally. I think y'all know it's you know what. Yo. Okay, it's the key of the minor. Yeah, it's totally the key of the minor. Jeez. Then Daddy came to the school, and he looked extra salty. I think he's jealous of my Oh my god. This is what kids are listening to. Parents, if you're watching, you better see what your kid's watching. They might stumble upon this. Also, oh. Stop YouTube. Okay, I don't think he is talking about the walls pipes. I think you know what they are talking about.
Now Grandma's here to pick me up, but her brain's like mushy fruit, 'cause she took my favorite microphone and said it'll be a good meat substitute.
Yeah, I don't. Okay. You're pretty sure know what it is basically. Even the comments know a minor part was crazy, you know. I mean, the beat was nice and the music also was nice, but the vocals, like the fucking lyrics, is just inappropriate. Imagine little Timmy like watching this and don't understand these adult jokes in them. They're gonna be like, what does that mean? I'm so sad for the little Timmys now.
My grandpa talks with girls online, he calls.
Okay, I think Momo's grandpa is a PDF file. You're telling me the first part of the video they already explained the whole palette of the fucking short. There's no remix or anything. Even the comments are like disappointed with Momo. If the iPad come across this, they don't know what the hell it means anyways.
I'm all his queen, but I'm worried he might be getting dementia 'cause he tells them he's only 17.
Now, for those who don't know, this is like based off of PDF files. I'm pretty sure you already know.
He talks with them for hours and writes out whole love songs. He must want to take them to Subway 'cause he keeps mentioning his foot long.
Okay. Okay, now this is just PDF files shit. Let's keep going.
And acts so standoffish. I don't know what they're arguing about, but it sounds like he's gonna make catfish.
Momo's too innocent. Oh my god, Momo's too innocent. I swear Momo is too innocent. I mean, he's not talking about catfish, like actual catfish. He's talking about being catfish, like being a 17-year-old person and just catfishing a random person on the internet. I mean, Momo don't even know what the hell is happening.
He said he finally found the one and booked her on a flight. She said she travels heavy, and he pictured a rich girl delight.
Oh my god.
Though he seemed quite devastated when he finally saw her look. It seems the girl named Paige ended up being the whole book.
Well, you hear that. The moral of the story is never fucking catfish someone. Or else they would look hideous. Okay, so why did I miss? I mean, pretty sure you're probably gonna get caught on it, but yeah, still, there's a chance of it happening, but unlikely it's not gonna happen. Likely you're just gonna be arrested because you're a sex offender. They don't post these random videos. They're adult. They used to post like random memes. Like, let me see. Like this.
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
And like more memes. They go back to it, but at the same time, oh my god. The first thing is gonna be a copyrighted music. Let me turn the volume down. That way I don't get strike by it. It's true though. Alright. There. I mean, I'm gonna keep finding of these. Which one should be a good one? Oh yeah, this one.
Auntie is a golfer now.
You're not a gopher. Just admit it. The first part of the video, we already know it's not a gopher. I think we all know what it was saying.
Plays with the whole town. They seem to all love the course and say she has the best holes around the world.
Yeah, the holes, like totally like the golf holes, yeah, totally. I think you all know.
She has a bad stance, or maybe it's her driver, 'cause they keep shouting to take the wood and spread her legs wider.
Yeah, they're totally talking about okay, just admit it, Momo, you're just trying to make adult content mixed with the kids content.
There's never a spot for me though, and I think that's pretty dumb. Who knew so many swingers were out looking for a foursome? By the time it was my turn, she was in too much pain.
Bro has like, I bet Momo's auntie or hell probably has like so many STDs after that. Not gonna lie. Overall, this is just like, how is this even allowed on YouTube? I mean, it probably is because they put it like not kid friendly because the comments. Usually, when you have kids content, I don't know the content. It would be. I don't know. Usually, it would have the comments turned off. Since the comments are not turned off, it's not kids, but still. Kids roam around and watch still bring around 24 hours. They could just find this on accidentally. Accidental,
It seems like I missed out on all the fun. I even heard there was a train.
Yeah, it's totally a trick. I just realized that part of the train on the second guy, the fucking, I think that's an edit mistake, but still, yeah, I don't think that, I think that was a dick, honestly. Poor Momo don't even know what the fuck are they talking about. Jesus. Oh no, this is gonna...
My brother has a monster arm that gets bigger every night.
Throw fucking jerks every night. How would he doesn't have a heart attack by that?
Must be training really hard for an arm wrestling fight. I brought him into school, hoping my bully would take the bait later.
I think you can get it. I think you can get it. What they're trying to say.
Bigger every night. Must be training really hard for an arm wrestling fight. I brought him into school.
I mean, they show the meat, I think, and it shows him being a meat, and that's also a word for jerking. So I think you all know.
Hoping my bully would take the bait later.
Bait, I think, is also another word.
Can't believe it did. 'Cause his friends call him a masturbator.
Maybe because he is one.
I think he must have felt
Why does the music always get so better? Like it's like anime intro, but the lyrics has to ruin it and just say, "My grandpa have sex with a minor" or something. They always have they always have like those sus and like sexual lyrics, but the music always hits like a banger. Even the comments say Momo's too innocent. They are on. I think Momo's too innocent, like they swear. Why is it anime music though? This kind of beats hard, but the lyric. Jesus, the tissues, bro. Oh, there goes the fucking clip again. What? Okay, honestly, bro, the music, bro, the music is going hard on it now. The music is going high. I think this music is being a banger now. And of course, we got the classic mom being shocked. And the fucking brother is also shocked that he got leaked. Like Mr. Beast. For those who don't know, I think Mr. Beast got leaked. You know. Oh no, the KKK had to make an appearance on Momo. I think if I click on a video, my channel might terminate. Oh well. Okay. That's the KKK now. Okay, you're just going too far, bro. You're going too far. The kids don't know what this is all about, bro. You're going too far. Okay.
My daddy has some bright balloons he hides from.
I don't think that's. Bro, even fucking ripped the condom. Oh my god. Imagine a kid just scroll on this, and I think it's actual balloon, and click on the comments and say, ha ha ha, this is funny. I'll repeat to the kid that will now grow up to be some, I don't know, some down bad person. A prostitute. Of course, they has to be everywhere. Oh my God. Didn't SML just like one of the condoms turned into a balloon and like Jeffy's helium problem? This is kind of reminding me of that. Again, the music is like blasting that I'm pretty sure you'll have to mute because I'm probably going to get copyrighted, but I'm not going to do that. Plan A and Plan B is just question mark, question mark. Bro, by Plan B once, but okay. Okay. One more moment with the cat video, and this is probably gonna be like, I want to find a video that would just makes. I'm trying to find a video, Let's see. There's like thousands of videos. Actually, not thousands, but 193 videos, and all of them are shorts. Let's just check out this one. I mean, we gotta calm down from the, because if we keep doing this, I think this channel might be deleted. 2 dragons. 3 unconditional love. Oh, depression. 3 is depression. Wow. I mean, depression is already over since like 1930s now. Momo still is from the 1929s. Oh my god. What else? Oh yeah, I know. Let me scroll down. I mean, while we're talking about these, let's just, what? No, not this. No. Let's just click on, if I can find it. That's it, though. can't even find. Oh, this one. Shit! Why is this happening? This one.
My uncle left me in my room and turned into a dragon. He breathed out smoke.
Oh my god. Now Momo Uncle is now using DRUGS. I'm not trying to get terminated, but you know what that means.
Dragon's breath in his eyes grew big
Oh, just a minute, it's just drugs.
and black. And when I went to make a snap, the spoon had been burned by his flame. He must have gained his powers from the magic
Fries.
straw behind the frame.
For YouTube, for purposes, this is not what you think it is, you know. It's not what you think it is, okay?
I must go save my family now. My trusty
So fucking drug addict, Jesus.
he seems to be out guarding the magic crystals.
For YouTube that don't know, these are like crystals from a cave. Just YouTube, okay, just believe that. For those that don't know, it's secretly drugs. It's not. Well, no wonder why. It's not crystals, Momo. Is this video gonna be the second time I have to delete a video? Like I just read in like David Bazooki in my original video about Roblox kids. And now I had to take it down because I'm getting worried that I would, like, you know, get terminated. Is this gonna happen again?
My uncle left me in
Wow. So I'm gonna piece this together. Mom's dad, aka Momo's dad, it's actually Momo's dad, it's just straight out cheating. Momo's mom, it's just, we haven't checked about Momo's mom, so yeah. Momo don't even know what the hell is going on. And Grandpa's just Epstein, aka just a PDF file. Let's just see
Hey
this.
kids, do you want to get rich?
Oh, look at that! Why is Momo's mom here?
All you need to do is rent a Porsche, then sell a course.
Making $sign in crypto. Wow.
Fake some numbers and hide the source. Book a jet, that's just for pics. Pay your cousin to say they got rich. Use that money to start a live stream.
Whatever you do, don't believe this. You're probably gonna go in debt in like 5 seconds.
Casinos will pay to sell a fake dream. Gambling debt, gambling
Oh my god! You sing it like it's Coco Melon. Like, gambling debt, Jesus. Gambling debt. What the heck?
send your fans into gambling debt. And
What the fuck is this, bro?
when it all comes crashing down,
Exposed, really? Jesus, save me.
in a nice church gown. Time will go by, people will forget now. Sell a course on risk management. Hey kids, do you
Jesus Christ. Oh, here it
I
is.
wasted time in my mother's womb, not buying property when it was cheap. Now I'm an adult, I can't afford a home. That's my fault. I should have bought myself a home when I was a kid.
I swear, bros, it's like, what? Why do they always make it like a live, something like, why?
I got a nice cheap.
Oh, that they literally made They literally made a rap song like this, I swear. I mean, nobody made it, but I swear Momo has made these music, right? How is AI approved with, like, gambling debt, drugs, and others? How is that possible? That doesn't make sense. Like, oh, let's just watch a different video since there's like a lot more. Okay. Yeah, I want no.
I have a friend named Bonnie who's never sad or blue. They say
Okay. I paused the first time because I just saw blue, and I just it's of course referencing Bonnie Blue. Who could guess about that?
she has the best trains, though I never hear choo-choo. I wanted to join the fun, but now there is no room. She said 1,000 men signed up to play with her.
Jesus. It's a caboose, like the train, just for YouTube, so don't take this down. This channel's probably gonna be terminated, I swear. Jesus Christ.
I guess there are lots of germs when you're the 1,001st one on the train.
Yeah, Jesus fucking Christ. Well, anyways, that's all I want to do because if I click on one more, my channel's probably gonna get terminated. You know what? Why not? Let's click it. Oh, look at that! Weeds and drugs. I knew that the second one's gonna be like this.
And when he says they're free for her, she always claps her hands. I think he really loves to cook.
I didn't hit the like, bro. I just clicked the pause.
But if no one's in the kitchen, who gave her the meat?
My God. Momo's family just so fucked up. Jeez, why is the Momo family so fucked up? No. Jesus. Oh no.
My brother has a girlfriend who lives inside a screen. She tells him what.
Oh my God. This is like down bad gooner shit. This is what down bad people do. They don't have a girlfriend. Their armpits smells shit. They live in a room with crusty, dusty shit, like with 5 underwear stacks. Which is panties, by the way. Girls' underwear, of course. With thousands of clothes everywhere. And pizza that has been left over since like 2022.
To wear each day and what the colors mean.
The gray makes your fun punk.
He said he's out for family nights and friends just slow him down. He hasn't left his room in days and made her a
This is what I said.
flower crown. He told her there's a girl at school who said he's quite the prize. She said he needed medicine and now he laughs with empty eyes. His friend
Jesus fuck.
named Kobe made fun of her and his face turned dark.
Well, no wonder why.
Now she's teaching him how to cook, but the beef is tough to chew. Last night, Mom yelled, "No screens this week," and pulled the cord out tight. He whispered, "She warned me about this," then reached to kill the light.
Oh my God. This is what happened if you pulled a plug on a down bad person. Which is, of course, dating AI from like Polybuzz. No, seriously, no. All jokes aside,
My brother has a girlfriend.
well, okay, that's it for today's. Because one more, I swear I'm probably gonna keep. I just don't want to do part 2. Just if you want part 2, I would just make a part 2 if I wanted to. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Honestly, it's almost like, actually, it's already 30 minutes anyways. Bye.